Ha kasitarik urampang arhajar arpusau menteri rang ba kajela ukonrat kongkal sangma ulap pat ba bat IT ki auto rickshaw kit nyut ki bayat de bodeng elektrik ki beren kumba ars pa nyau teli shagi blok bapher jangri lum khasi jantia ya gini ki auto kit nyut la IT shkinong mi kmat ni blok ha gejingalang kablalong ha kemadan ni lakai jong kakur kalang halum dat kla boy rembong. Hagini kesi le don langru usembut menteri rang ba kajela ba asnya walangdar menteri ketenat PHE Umar Kuis Marak kementeri ketenat kakoi kakya I Dr. Amperin Lengdo UMLA ke Umroy constituency uba daman bat lamaria UMDC ke Umroy uba ar karbuki ki officer na ketenat PHE bat kinong trei ka Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Meghalaya. Habagran na kanigasni Konrad Kongkal Sangman kong ulapan pa kejing kemen bagum kejela kelanang jam syaprang ban penurlong ya kejing angnut jong Sorkar pedeng ban penlong kum kawai ni kejela ka bakuaj hagari haga bagisnong kitau kela download iragi pankana lengbaga Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin. Uli itu ru bagajela Meghalaya mentakalakot cakap prapusau poin lai naksispa ha kajinglat na kajinglet barpathar ne kekerdan ODF plus na kajing trish tom bat ban penurlong di tenat Sorkar bapher kajela Meghalaya rengkat kajingnya terilang kidor barsnong bat ki blok bapher ha kaba kathong kalong ru ban kot kum kajela na kishpotli kajela hagar India bat lengba kini ki kali kit nyut elektrik di ginuksa banang wara syok ya kejing khut jing suba bat shan on saplat kineru hari lum garu u konrad kongkal sangma ulapan menaru bag Sorkar jela mentakla don kathong ban penlong ya kawe kesngi haman ka shisen lai benai ban penlong kejing pen khut igi shnong githau lengba kejing terilang bat ka office deputy commissioner bat kiwe na kaliang menteri ketenat PHE Umar Kuis Marak habakran ulaong bag Sorkar jela kan penmi ya kejing mang pisa na kebentang kesenam arhajar arpusan bagan top ya kejing kenjo ya kekerdan ODF plus sya kashispa nakshispa daga bapen shna ki pankana ya kisilak 10,000 arspa sapau tili kilong yin lembat 10,000 sanspa sanpulai ki bayo ya ke skim PMAY ban shna ya sanspa nyopau tili ki community sanitary complex unit banbo ya ke plastic waste management unit akeleng jela bat kiwe
if you don't have that goal, that conviction, that determination in us, we will never be able to achieve it. And hence, I call upon all our officials, political leaders, citizens of our state, that it is our duty to ensure that we all work together and achieve the different goals that we have set for our community, for our villages, for our district, and for our state. Today, the distribution of some of these vehicles is a great moment for us. It's one step forward once again to show that how the community and the government can work together. And if we work together, nothing is impossible. It's a message to all the people that this government believes in working hand in hand with the community. The strength of our state is the different communities that we have, the ownership of the community, the participation of the community. This is the strength of our state of Meghalaya. And hence, working on this strength, we would like to work together with the communities to achieve the different goals that we have set in front of us.